भोपाल में आज सोमवार से 2 दिवसीय ग्लोबल इन्वेस्टर्स समिट का आयोजन हो रहा है, जिसका उद्घाटन राष्ट्रीय मानव संग्रहालय में प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी ने किया। समिट में उद्योग जगत के तकरीबन 3,903 स्पेशल इनवाइटी और उसके साथ ही डेलीगेट्स 8,046 यहां पर मौजूद है। आपको बता दें कि इसमें 133 विदेशी निवेशक, 3,398 स्टार्टअप के प्रतिनिधि भी शामिल हैं, जो मध्य प्रदेश में निवेश करेंगे, जिससे युवाओं के लिए रोजगार के अवसर खुलेंगे। और ऐसे में बंसल न्यूज के हेड ने बातचीत की है तमाम जो निवेशक है उनसे। क्या कुछ कहा निवेश को लेकर, सुनिए।
We have with us Jan Klazak, if I pronunciate rightly. How do you rate the Madhya Pradesh as an attractive destination for the investment?
Definitely attractive, otherwise we wouldn't be here, right?
Yeah.
We've made quite an effort to come from Europe, so we're coming with a clear intention. I think it's just solidifying itself through this session we've just seen, right? Yeah. Very inspiring.
Very inspiring.
And a very clear vision, which we lack in many European countries, so it's great to hear that there is a goal for India for the coming years, and we keep our fingers crossed and we hope to contribute too.
साथ है मिस्टर जॉन निकल, जो हेड ऑफ पॉलिटिकल एंड बायलैटरल अफेयर ब्रिटिश डिप्यूटी हाई कमीशन मुंबई से है। सर, हाउ डू यू रेट मध्य प्रदेश एज अ अट्रैक्टिव डेस्टिनेशन ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट?
Well, I think you're going to see over these 2 days that Madhya Pradesh is really joining the competitive federalism that you have in India, the interstate competition. There's a lot of opportunities here. There's land. There's some really big businesses. There's 73 million people.
As we know, sir, that invest cannot demand. You have to attract investment. So what kind of facility as an investor, Britain, UK needed from India and especially Madhya Pradesh?
Yeah, very good point, sir. I mean, UK has just been ranked second as a place in the world to start a business. So we have quite a very friendly business environment ourselves. But obviously we don't have India's scale.
ये थे मिस्टर जॉन निकल, जो बायलैटरल अफेयर्स, पॉलिटिकल अफेयर्स जो यूके के हैं उसके हेड हैं। वो कहते हैं कि काफ़ी अच्छा एक मौका है। अगर हम बात करें भारत की, तो ये बहुत ही अच्छा निवेश का एक समय है। कैमरामैन पुरुषोत्तम के साथ शरद, इस समय इन्वेस्टर मीट। We have with us Andrew Eckhold, who is Managing Director of Heritage India Private Limited.
We started doing business in India in 2001. Me personally, the first time I came to India in 2013, where we started to invest into manufacturing, and I fall in love with the culture, with the people, but especially also with the mindset of the people in terms of doing business and growing the business and becoming the next big thing in the world. So, and the growth is coming from the people, and I think you have mentioned China, which is also the biggest difference. There is a political system which is driving the growth in China. Here it's about the people who is driving.
Madhya Pradesh is also becoming a hot destination for the investment. How do you find Madhya Pradesh as an attractive destination for investment?
So first of all, the elections happened in 2014. This was when I was in India. Yeah. So, and still there is a stable government. I guess that's the key success driver. Madhya Pradesh for us is doing good in the way of ease of doing business. We have decided to invest into Madhya Pradesh after Gujarat, where we started in 2013. From the viewpoint of it's in the heart of India. It's connecting east, west, south and north. We are into manufacturing and we need skilled people. So there is a great access to know-how. There are great IITs. It's an automotive and a pharma hub. So we get the people which we need to run our high-tech factories. And there's also good support from the government when it comes to ease of doing business with interesting subsidies. And they are accessible to us as an organization, and they are also interested in our future plans.
और उनका ये भी कहना है मध्य प्रदेश में ईज ऑफ डूइंग बिजनेस जो है उसको लेकर बहुत ही अच्छे ढंग से शुरुआत हुई। 2013-14 से वो भारत में हैं और वो यहाँ की गर्मजोशी और यहाँ के बदलते हुए एनवायरनमेंट को लेकर वो इसकी सराहना करते हैं और मानते हैं कि भारत एक कैपेबल है पूरी तरह से इन्वेस्टमेंट को अट्रैक्ट करने के लिए। कैमरामैन मकरंद के साथ शरद द्विवेदी, GIS मानव संग्रहालय, भोपाल।